you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. All right, we got that Sundown U sub. We're gonna run 3 of those for a while and see what they do. Of course, y'all know we had the NSV 5 the first go round, so we're gonna go with a little something different. We're gonna run them a little while, then we might change to something else. But we got another building on the works too, so we're gonna keep it kind of simple on this one. Trying to cut too deep. I should know, you know, with Sundown they package it. You know, well, a lot of companies probably do this, but put a whole bunch of wrap in there. I mean, hook up some gaskets right here. Move that. And of course, wet. I could have just flipped it over maybe these, but I had to do it the hard way. Ain't right. Alright. Alright. It ain't the mega roll or nothing like that, but you see what it is. It's a stock cone, spider and all that. Ain't an upgraded version of it, nothing. But we're gonna see what it do. It's kind of stiff though. But y'all know I'm gonna keep this brief. Be sure to like and subscribe. We got 3 of these, and we're gonna put them in there.
You got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.